Strategic is killing this aimed up urban.
I wish, I wish, I wish, I wish.
Yeah. Life is so beautiful. Sometimes I get worried, but it ends like candlestick. Yes, I can feel it. No wonder that I'm part of it. We shed a tear or death and searching for the help. We don't wanna do big in life, so we drop out, we fail. So I wish we all be good, that we're never gonna cry no more. Yes, I wish I make a lot of money enough to feed the world. That's crazy, but when my dream come true, it's just amazing. I don't wanna be here, I love in the heaven, chill with my holy father, cause he knows me better than you do. Sometimes I don't understand how life's so hard to believe in yourself. So I'm trying to figure it out. How can I live with all people I love? Those people that I care for, a lot of people that I mean a lot in my life. I wish I would never die, and if I ever had a chance to make a wish, I wish I could bring you back. No matter what happens, I love you both. Rest in peace.